This is the 4-patch of the USB outlets. This is a really great item here. If you have an older car, a boat, or an RV that you're looking to add USB power to, this is going to be a really easy solution here. You get a 4-patch here. What's nice about this is you just need a very small hole, and then it's surface mount. You just need to be able to run these 2 wires back there, tap into some power, and then you just have to screw these 2 small screws in there. You don't have to use like a big hole saw or anything like that. Just a really great item. You can see here that it's got the 2 ports right here. It's got the doors on here that open up, so it's closed each time. This is just a really well-designed item here. You can see the screws are behind this base plate here. Everything you need is in this kit with this patch here. You get 4 of these right here. I'm going to be using this in an RV, and the back here you could see there's no USBs in this area here, so I have this on the section of this this cabinet right here. I'm going to be drilling the small hole here and then tapping into the power that's right behind it, and it's just going to be able to give our passengers in the back here USB access. So this is a really great kit. I'm very pleased with it. I picked this one out because it has a lot of positive reviews online. Everybody was saying how nicely it's crafted here. Looks like it's going to hold up, very durable with the little plastic sections on it here. And again, just very easy to use. This is the cover, and then this is the actual unit right here, just the 2 small wires. Looks like it's going to be very easy to put this together. I'm just happy I don't have to open a big hole or anything like that. It's just going to be a very small drill. Put these 2 wires back there and tap into the power. Put the cover on there, and it's good to go. So definitely want to check this out if you're looking to add USB. And like I said, you could use this in an older car. If there's no USBs in there, you could put this right on the dashboard somewhere. You could, if you're looking to add USB to the back for the passengers, you would just need to run a pretty good length of wire here, or a boat or an RV. There's so many applications of this. It's just really easy to use, and highly recommend checking these out. Really nice items here.